5 amazing health benefits of banana flowers. The banana tree is the ideal to look up to when it comes to a no-wastage policy. Almost all parts of the banana tree can be used. The most obvious is the fruit, bananas, that we eat almost daily. Both the South Asians and Southeast Asians use banana flowers as a vegetable. They use it either raw or steamed with dips. They also use those in soups, curries, and fried foods. The flavor resembles that of artichoke. Like artichokes, both the fleshy part of the bracts and the heart are edible. Benefits of banana flowers. Banana flowers are called banana hearts for a reason. These flowers are pretty, but you should not dismiss them as merely decorative elements. They have a host of health benefits too. Some of the health benefits of banana flowers are: Number 1. Wards off infections. Banana flowers treat infections, thanks to their ethanol-based extracts. Banana flower inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Some of them are Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus cereus, and Escherichia coli. Banana flower also helps heal the wounds. According to a study, banana flower extracts can also inhibit the growth of the malarial parasite, Plasmodium falciparum in vitro. These claims are yet to be proven. Number 2. Boosts mood and reduces anxiety. Don't reach for an antidepressant if you are feeling down and out. Try banana flowers instead. Since they contain magnesium, banana flowers reduce anxiety and boosts the mood. They are natural antidepressants without any side effects. Number 3. Manages diabetes and anemia. Calculated intake of banana flowers reduces blood sugar levels. It also increases the total hemoglobin levels in the body. However, as with antimicrobial activity, the hyperglycemic effects of banana flowers haven't proven clinically. Number 4. Reduces free radical activity. The presence of free radicals in the body can cause serious problems. Fortunately, the extracts of methanol present in banana flower possess antioxidant properties. These flowers perfectly handle free radicals that cause damages to the body. It treats many health issues, such as premature aging and cancer. To make the full use of the antioxidant property of these flowers, include in health supplements. Number 5. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Banana flowers contain various vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E. They also contain potassium and fibers. This makes them an excellent health food and a source of healthy nutrients. If you find this information useful, hit the like button, share this, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the bell to get notification of our latest content.